Capsule alert. Capsule alert. Mama, 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 ba 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 ba.
Shaped like yesterday were orange. Not orange, moved black line.
I have no idea what you're on about. But welcome to Capsule Alert. Damn it, fool. Number 1. Rubbish. Omiyaji. I don't care. But that's why I'm gonna do this. Should I regret this? Probably. Yeah. Well, there was a couple draws to start this off. But Omiyaji, Fizz, go away. Wait, left hand, yes, go away. Because what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna do something probably good. Where is he? Artist, level 30. Now. I got everything I need. True form evolution increases defense and attack power. Enhanced. Yes. Raman cat. I was waiting to go for him, or maybe like, where is he?
Yeah, she was.
This dude. Level him up. Level him up. Could evolve him soon. And because of why not? Carry on with this. And just because we evolved him, let's throw him in. Ba 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 da ba. Yes, yes. Ooh, I could spam this guy. Oh, he attacks fast. This guy could be good. You know what? We're gonna just try and do this by spamming this guy, and maybe use some, somewhat useful. I only needed that guy. Are you kidding? Just a mal unit? Huh. So that's how I was able to do it. You're very loud. Never mind. Nope. You. I'm just spamming this guy. All we need to do. Okay, we're probably gonna die, but I don't care. This guy's beast, I've now noticed. He attacks really fast, and if it was an angel fighting, he is a god.
Are you okay there?
Yes. She now notices Logan is talking to himself. Sad. Alone here, talking to himself. She's now questioning his sanity. And I have won again. Spam this guy again, 'cause I keep winning. I have created a god. A wall they can never get through. Unless they summon those guys. And they just killed Chimera. Okay, nope. And now I'm gonna go back to spamming this guy. Another win. No, this is the fourth one. Get ready. They're coming. The ramen cat army is coming. Ramen cat. Yes. It's actually a cult, which have now got a dragon. No. Let's just see what's gonna happen. And they just killed that thing. What is going on? Okay, you're watching something about Batwoman. Great. Very loud. Yeah. And that is it. Adios.